Imagine a world where your glasses do more than correct your vision, they become a seamless extension of your digital life, blending style, technology, and utility in ways that feel almost magical. Enter the Even Realities G2, the follow-up to last year's G1, which for many tech enthusiasts, including myself, was already a favorite. Now Even has taken everything we loved about the G1 and pushed it further. The G2 is lighter, sleeker, and more refined with a larger display, smarter software, and even a ring that changes the way you interact with the glasses. For anyone who has struggled with bulky, awkward AR devices, the G2 promises something you can wear comfortably all day without feeling like you recarrying a mini computer on your face. After spending the last week with these glasses, I can tell you they exceed expectations in almost every way. Starting with the unboxing experience, Even is clearly focused on premium presentation and attention to detail. Inside the box, you'll find your G2 glasses nestled in a sleek protective case, alongside a braided charging cable, nose pieces, silicone earpiece covers for maximum comfort, and a soft cleaning cloth that adds a touch of luxury. Unlike some other gadgets that overwhelm you with manuals and extras, the G2 keeps it clean and simple. Open the case, slide out the glasses, and you're already part of the future. The glasses themselves maintain the elegant aesthetic of the G1, but with subtle upgrades that are easy to miss at first glance. The frame now combines magnesium and titanium for strength, while staying 20% smaller and 36 grams lighter. IP67 water and dust resistance ensures they're built for everyday use. Whether you're caught in a rainstorm or rushing through a dusty city street. And while I personally adored the slightly rounder design of the G1, this year's more angular silhouette gives the G2 a futuristic, stylish vibe without looking overtly tech-heavy. For those who prefer variety, Even offers a rectangular version in 3 color options: gray, green, and soon brown. But what really sets the G2 apart isn't just how it looks, it's how it feels and functions. Unlike many smart glasses that cram in every possible feature but end up being impractical, Even has approached the G2 with a principle of practical elegance. They cut out unnecessary bulk. No cameras to trigger privacy concerns. No over-the-air speakers adding weight. Instead, they focused on what matters most for daily use: high-resolution visuals, intuitive controls, and comfort. Yet, the G2 packs some truly impressive tech inside. Dual monochrome micro-OLED displays provide 640 by 350 resolution running at 60 Hz, with a 27.5-degree field of view, 75% larger than the G1. The displays are up to 50% sharper, 100% more uniform, and shine at up to 1,200 nits more than enough for indoor and bright outdoor use. Even's proprietary holistic adaptive optics ensures that outside the display, the glasses look completely normal, blending seamlessly into everyday life. Controlling the G2 is where the experience really transforms. Even has reimagined how you interact with smart eyewear. Look up, and a dashboard appears, letting you check notifications, the weather, your calendar, stocks, or news headlines. Speak a command with "Hey Even," thanks to 4 built-in microphones that pick up both your voice and the ambient environment. Use the touch-sensitive earpieces, now enhanced for scrolling in both directions. Or reach for the Even R1 ring, a sleek piece of wearable tech crafted from zirconia, ceramic, and stainless steel. The ring feels more like jewelry than a controller and allows you to scroll, select, and interact with the glasses without ever touching them directly. It even doubles as a health tracker, monitoring heart rate, oxygen levels, skin temperature, and steps. For existing G1 users, the R1 ring is free, which is a thoughtful gesture from Even. But what truly makes these glasses special is how they integrate into everyday life. These are designed not for show, but for subtle, constant utility. Notifications appear in your line of sight without disrupting your focus. Texts, reminders, and AI assistant prompts are always available, but never obtrusive. Even designed the displays to allow depth-based placement, so alerts appear closer or further away, depending on their priority. You can also adjust the vertical position of the screen to suit your eyes, making the experience customizable to a degree that other smart glasses can only dream of. And while the G2 works beautifully with a phone, it's far less dependent than the G1 One you can leave your phone in your pocket and still use almost every feature. The live demonstration of the G2 shows just how much utility is packed into such a subtle design. The dashboard provides quick access to everything you need: the date and time, weather, battery life, notifications, stocks, calendar, and even grocery lists. The teleprompter feature is particularly impressive. You can load a script and scroll through it hands-free using the R1 ring or even the glasses themselves. Translation is seamless, whether you're reading Italian, Spanish, or any supported language, and the new Conversate feature is a game-changer for meetings. With Conversate, the glasses can listen to multiple people talking, automatically assign dialogue, summarize key points, and even generate actionable to-do lists. Everything syncs to your phone, ensuring no idea or instruction is ever lost, while keeping your hands free and your attention on the real world. Battery life is another strong suit. The G2 glasses last about 2 days on a single charge, and the R1 ring lasts around 4 days. The case can charge the glasses up to 7 times, though the ring still requires a separate charge or a minor quibble in what is otherwise a polished package. Additional accessories such as prescription lenses and sunglass overlays make the G2 adaptable for almost every lifestyle while keeping the price point reasonable considering the technology inside. The glasses start at $599, with the R1 ring available for $124.50, or free for G1 users upgrading to the G2. One of the most compelling aspects of the G2 is how non-intrusive the technology feels. It doesn't scream, "Look at me," it fits naturally into your life. You can glance at a notification or scroll a grocery list without anyone noticing. The design is lightweight and stylish enough to wear all day. And yet the glasses are incredibly capable, offering tools and functionality that previously required a smartphone, tablet, or laptop. Even has achieved something rare, tech that is both invisible and indispensable. There are still areas for improvement. I would love to see audio integration built directly into the glasses, eliminating the need for headphones for media playback. But even seems aware of this, and perhaps future versions like a G3 will take this step. For now, the combination of R1 ring controls, intuitive touchpads, and voice commands provides a remarkably fluid and natural experience that feels like interacting with futuristic tech without the learning curve. In terms of aesthetics, even has managed to strike a delicate balance between form and function. The angular design, premium materials, and thoughtful color palette make the G to something you want to wear, rather than tolerate. Whether you're at a cafe, walking downtown, or in a meeting, these glasses are subtle, yet undeniably high-tech, projecting a quiet sophistication rather than flashy gadgetry. The ring enhances this experience, allowing seamless control without compromising style. So, what's the bottom line? The Even Realities G2 is not just smart glasses, it's a lifestyle accessory for the digital age. It combines lightweight, comfortable design with advanced AR functionality, hands-free controls, and everyday utility in a way that feels effortless. This is a product that belongs on your face every day, subtly enhancing your productivity, connectivity, and interaction with the world. I want to hear from you. Would you rather wear sleek, discreet smart glasses that fit seamlessly into your life, or opt for feature-packed, bold devices that scream technology? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I read them all. If you found this review useful, hit that like button, subscribe for more VR and AR tech content, and check out our Patreon for exclusive behind-the-scenes tech demos. The future of smart glasses is here. It's not just wearable technology, it's a window into tomorrow, blending style, utility, and innovation in a single, elegant frame. The Even G2 is available now, starting at $599 with optional prescription lenses, 3 color choices, and the R1 ring is either a free upgrade for G1 users or $124.50. With these, Even is proving that smart glasses don't have to be bulky, awkward, or intrusive. They can be light, functional, and truly wearable. And if you ask me, this is exactly the kind of technology that makes you excited to step into the future.